Let me give you some context. I just told him I did not want to make a video, and
ow. What are you doing?
I am pressing a shirt.
Well, let me see what that looks like. Are you using Flash custom transfers?
Are you tricking me into doing a video?
Are you using Flash custom? No, Taki, when teacher talk. Wow.
Isn't it cute? You got a shirt on.
I know, I'm throwing it from the neck up.
Yay. I thought this was so funny. Donovan was not entertained, but...
No, Taki.
I like talkies, so it's acceptable.
You like talking?
No.
Exactly.
I like talkies.
This is just a reminder to keep his mouth shut.
Okay.
You really got exposed on video like that. Wow. Good job.
So these are the transfers.
Yes.
Transfers.
Oh, let's see.
We did a stretch test earlier.
Flash custom transfers.
Is it vectored or no?
I think so. Oh, I don't know. I've had this image for a very long time. But yeah, it looks pretty good.
Yeah, it does.
310 for 12 seconds.
Any prep work or anything? Do you normally press the shirt before you do it or no? Day of the life here at Flash Custom Transfers. She's had a long day. Yeah. Check out the other video on Shade of the Content where we...
Let me give you some context. I just told him I did not want to make a video, and...
Ow.
And here we are.
Here we are.
If you have moisture in your shirt, you can always pre-press to get the moisture out. This one does not have moisture, so we're just gonna go ahead and press.
Hit that light, it's blowing it out.
And it's just
there we go.
Sure. It's Sunday night, so he has school tomorrow, so we've been meaning to press him the shirt, so we're just gonna press it for school tomorrow. And then we have Lulu one too, because she likes Takis. So whenever she comes, she can make a shirt.
Yeah, I just figured I'd make a quick little video, you know what I mean, for Flash Custom Transfers channel, because it's been a while since you've been able to post on there. Oh, they're in the dryer.
Oh man, they're not in the dryer.
They're not in the dryer? You know how to put stuff in the dryer?
No, go do it.
All right, I'll be right back.
Ready?
Yeah. Ooh.
No Taki when the teacher Taki.
That looks good on the red. I like that.
Because Takis are fire. Hot, another 6 seconds.
Ooh.
Kiddo has a new shirt.
Kiddo got a new shirt for tomorrow. Is that a billet or?
No, this is from Target. I saw them. Okay. We haven't had time to go get some. So
that looks really good.
It's $4. I think.
It almost looks screen printed because of the little spots, but it's not. It's stronger than screen print.
Feels like screen print. Feel that.
It feels better than screen print.
Ooh.
You can't even feel it.
No, it feels
super stretchy. Well, what kind of shirt is this? Polyester?
No, it's cotton.
Is it?
100% Guatemalan. Come here, Bear. Come try this shirt on real quick. Ooh.
It's warm.
It is.
Oh, look at that.
Oh, it fits you good.
Let's see. Let's get you up. Oh, yeah, look at you.
No Taki when the teacher Taki.
Oh.
What was that for?
Because you be Taki when the teacher Taki.
Aw.
Love you.
Taki.
Good. Taki.
It does look good. Take us out.
Me?
Yeah, who else?
How about her?
Come on, baby. Come on my channel. Come on.
I don't know what to say.
So we're actually back.
Back where?
For part 2 of this video.
Where'd you see the toothpaste was?
The what?
Toothpaste.
It should be in my closet, honey.
Yep.
Or in my restroom closet. Oh, you're not making this one for your channel? This is still for
No, this is for yours. Because they make it a little longer.
All right, so we are back. So we did the no Takis. So now we have a black shirt for the kiddo with the Flash logo. He wants to represent at school, of course. So we're making this for him. Also have some for Allura too. She has shirts in her room, so when she comes, we can go ahead and hook them all up. So let's go ahead and press this. We're at 310 for 12 seconds. Does that look straight?
Yeah, that's fine. It's for a kid. He gonna mess it up anyway. Or
they don't mess up.
They don't mess up. You are right. You are right. They do not mess up. He's just gonna grow out of it because they do not mess up. Where's the one that we just beat up? Over here? Yeah, so this is the one that we beat up, dried. Oh, it is wrinkly. Ooh, it's wrinkly because it's actually finally dried. But
not really.
Yeah, I mean, look all down here.
Oh, you're talking about the I'm talking about this.
No, this is perfect. But guys, go check out this video on Straight Outta Content's channel, on my channel. Go check it out where we demolish this shirt.
Stress test.
Stress test. Drive over it. Have the kids beat it up. The ultimate stress test. And I mean, look at this. It's perfect.
Can I still wear this?
Of course.
I might have to wash it again.
Why would you wash it again?
Because you ran over it like 5 times.
But baby, I threw it in the bucket.
I know, but you have to think about your tires have dead possums on there.
Baby, I washed this with soap and outside hose water. It's clean.
So you washed it like 1924.
Yes. And I stirred it with a stick.
Did you use a wash?
Yeah, I washed it.
Oh, excuse me, like butter.
Like butter. Look at that.
Excuse me.
Oh my God. Guys, no other transfer in the world. No other transfer in the world is like ours. It's not even close.
That black looks really good on black.
It does, right? The black on black.
With the white outline, look at that.
I know, it makes it pop.
Yeah, I didn't think
He's gonna be popping at school. All the teachers
and he got new shorts and his new shoes.
What?
So I'm like, these are your outfits for the next 2 days.
Look at that.
Oh, it is crooked.
It looks crazy. Who cares? It's for a child. And we don't make merch anyway.
Oh, no, it's not crooked.
No, it's not. I didn't think so. We don't make merch, but look at that. That's amazing. And this one is new, and put it up to the one that's beat up. Go ahead, press it for a couple seconds.
The beat up one?
Yeah, the beat up one. So this is the one, like I said, you gotta watch the full video on Straight Outta Content. You gotta subscribe. Subscribe here. We're trying to get to 50,000 subscribers on both channels. And then once we do, we will drop the new price. Yeah, if we get the yes, that's the thing. We get the 50,000 subscribers on both channels, we will drop the new price.
Is that Oscar de la Hoya?
That is Oscar de la Hoya. When he lost to Floyd. Look at that. Can you tell the difference? Can you tell that this one...
It's so dark in here, I can't see it.
The camera's picking it up really well.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Here we go.
Look at that. This one looks more raggedy because this one's freshly pressed. Look at it. Look at the camera.
It don't look raggedy.
Look at the difference. Come right here. Come right here. See?
It's just the light, just the black. No, this looks good. They both look good.
No, they both look amazing. But this is brand new. This one's old and has been beat up and everything, and it's still together, guys. Go check that video out on Straight Outta Content. So that's gonna be it.
We all got merch. Look, you got your merch on. Turn the camera around. We all got our merch on.
Oh, hold on.
Flash custom transfers.
Hold on. Both of y'all.
What?
Okay, so be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to Flash Custom Transfers and purchase your $19.99 22x24 Flash Custom Transfers. Visit our website at flashcustomtransfers.com, or you can email us at ordernow@flashcustomtransfers.com. And don't forget to subscribe and like and visit Straight Outta Content's channel.
No, subscribe here.
Oh yeah, of course they're already subscribed.
Okay.
Well,
they're not. They watch and then they don't subscribe.
Not my subscribers. Anyway,
My subscribers 1,000%.
oh, Donovan's Domain.
Donovan's Domain.
He has a channel too. We have a new employee starting tomorrow, so it's a busy week, busy day. So I'm just trying to prep for that as well. So hopefully you guys will meet her soon. I'm gonna ask her if we can record.
See, talking about Taki.
No Taki with mommy Taki. All right, we'll see you guys next time. Bye.